I'ma serve, I'm spinning.
Hey you guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's a girl Bonnie. Alright guys, in today's video I am going to show you how to start a dress from scratch using a stretchy fabric. So I posted 2 videos already where I was showing you guys how to make a dress from scratch. The dresses were like white in color, and then there was also a see-through dress video that I posted. So if you might have missed those videos, here is another video for you. In it I'm gonna show you guys how to make a dress from scratch. So without wasting your time, I'm just going to get right into the video. And then you guys, if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Okay, yeah, so let's get right into the video.